to the channel. Welcome back to the Falcon 64 project. Today's video is going to be another powder coating video. I am going to be powder coating my control arms, my upper control arms. What I'm going to be using is one of these Blower flat disc. It's a 60 grit on my grinder, and I already kind of started this project. I started off with the wire brush and hit them pretty good with the air grinder, die grinder, whatever you want to call it, with the wire brush attached to it. This one I still got to clean up the back side of it pretty good and get all this nastiness off of it. But I was going to go ahead and start with this one and hit it with the grinder. This is what I found to be pretty quick. It'll take some stuff off pretty quick, and doesn't seem like it wastes that much time. So I'm gonna get on that, and I'll probably do a time lapse on that. That way you can kind of see that process. Alrighty, stay tuned. Alright, I think I got it as good as I can get it with the grinder. The rest will probably have to be in the blaster. It's the only way I'm going to be able to get up in some of those voids is with the bead blaster. Anyways, I'll show it to you when I get there, when I get done with it. Okay, everyone. I just wanted to bring you up to date, show you where I'm at. So I wire brushed them, and I have been hitting them up in the blast cabinet. And I got about an hour and 15 minutes on each one in the blast cabinet. And I am still not ready to powder coat. I still keep on finding little greasy spots like that. And one over here. Cracks. And so anyways, I've decided to call it a day for today. I'm gonna get me a container and soak them in acetone or something to obviously get all the grease off of them, but also let it sit in there and see if that helps get off any of that road grime that I am not getting it off with the blast cabinet. Hopefully that'll speed it up. We will see, and I will bring you back once I get it in the container and soaking. See how that works. Okay, everyone, so here is my final clean. I have worked and worked and worked on these. I soaked them overnight in gas, and I don't suggest you do that. Not being a fireman, it's kind of hard to sit there and suggest that, but anyways, and then I put them back in the blast cabinet. The paint came off nice and easy, but the discoloration I am not getting off. Anyways, I probably got 2 hours apiece in each one of these, and overnight sitting in gas trying to loosen up all that garbage on them. But anyways, so now I'm gonna cook them, bake all the crap off of them, and then I'm gonna put them in there for about 375 for about 30 minutes. Let them cool off, and then we'll shoot them. And I'll show you all that process here when I get to it. So I just wanted to mention, this is the tape I use. It came in like 4 different sizes, and I used the 1/2 inch on the threads. all I did is tape up the threads. You don't want to get powder coat in there. It'll mess up some of the areas where you are, it'll tighten up the fitting, so you might have a problem not getting it back in there. Anyways, now I'm going to bake them, and I'll show them to you when I get them done. Alrighty everyone, I got the control arms out of the oven. Now I'm just letting them cool off. So now I'm going to get the powder all set up, the gun all set up. And once they get cooled off, I'll put the filters in, and I will bring you back for the powdering process. Alright everyone, so I'm going to be shooting the control arms in Misty Burgundy. That's a prismatic color. So how I do it, standard hopper for the Harbor Freight gun. I always sit here and zip tie these back once I get done with them. I got me a dedicated ½ a cup measuring thing here, just to get it out, keep it easy. I get me a scoop of powder, and then I put my hopper in here, dump that in there, grab another scoop, usually I like wearing gloves, but heck, I'm out of gloves. So I'm just going to do a cup and a half, more than enough. Then just clean it up as much as I can. Bring it out, put my lid on it, and then I'll just wrap it back up. Don't want it to get moist or anything. Cover that up. That way when I come back after I shoot everything, I can just dump that back in and don't got to worry about it. Try to conserve as much as I can. Alright, I'll bring you back when I got the gun set up. Alright everyone, I got my filters in, got everything set up, she's all wired up, ready to go. Put this in the middle of this thing. There we go. I got the gun on, and so on my gun, I got a dryer here, that came with the gun. I got a regulator, and then I put another dryer in before it. So that way it just keeps all the moisture out, plus I have the dryer on the compressor right there, along with the regulator. It should be down around 50 psi. I believe that's what it's at. I don't have my glasses on, but anyways. So let's get going with it. I'm gonna push it up.
you can see. Sorry, stupid. But there's a line right there with it. Just trying to get that crease. Oh, that worked. Now we're just going to look it all over. Make sure that you got 100% coverage. They look good to me. So let's load them up.
So there we go, we got them loaded up. I'm gonna shut this up and check my temperature again. I believe it's 400. I don't know how long. Well, let's go look. One thing I do is I sit there and write the temperature and then for how long. So it's 400 for 10 minutes. Well, here we go. Just got them out of the oven, still super hot. Just gotta take the tape off. That color. Beautiful. Just gonna add a little bit of flair. I mean, hell, why not? I got everything to do it. Might as well just, you know, I got time. Time's not the issue, it's money. And heck, I already bought all the, well, most of the powder. I'm gonna have to buy some more. But anyways, just where I'm at. Figured I might as well hit it up, knock it out, and make it look pretty. Well, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions on videos and things that I can do better with the videos, please hit me up. I'm trying to improve the channel, trying to make it right. So if you can, hit me up and let me know your thoughts. Another view of them. Well, y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.